Hello everyone, I am Puneet Kumar DG, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Aid College, Baramasagara. As you all know, we are discussing the subject Financial Markets and Services in that Module 5, Mutual Funds. The topic of present video is the types and as well as selection of mutual funds and types of mutual funds on the basis of geography. Let us recap our previous video. In our previous video, we discussed about types of mutual funds on the basis of yield and as well as investment pattern. So based on the yield and investment pattern, we are going to classify mutual funds into income funds, growth funds, balanced funds, specialized funds, money market mutual funds, and lastly, the taxation funds. In the present video, we will discuss the types of mutual funds on the basis of geography. On the basis of geography, we are going to classify the mutual fund schemes into two categories. One is domestic mutual fund schemes, another one is offshore mutual fund schemes or the foreign mutual fund schemes. The first category is domestic mutual fund schemes. So these are the schemes which are launched with a view to invest only in the local market and mobilize savings of the citizens of the country. So under domestic mutual fund schemes, all the investments will be made in the domestic capital markets and the securities of the domestic companies. Hence, they are called as domestic mutual funds. The next category is offshore schemes or offshore mutual funds. So under these schemes, the investments will be made in international markets. Hence, these are also called as international mutual funds. And this is also with a view and objective to bring the international capital into the Indian markets. So hence, these are all called as an international mutual fund schemes or offshore schemes. The next, we need to look upon what are all the criteria to be considered while selecting a mutual fund schemes. While selecting a mutual fund scheme, the investor has to be very careful to fulfill his investment objective. So for that purpose, he need to consider these points while selecting a mutual fund scheme. The first one, objective of the mutual fund scheme. He need to verify what is the objective behind the mutual fund scheme, whether it is income oriented or it is a growth oriented or it is a balanced oriented, and what is his need. If the investment need of the investor and the scheme are matched, then it will be a best combination. Then second one, consistency of performance. So while selecting a mutual fund scheme, the investor has to look upon the at least the past 3 years and as well as 5 years performance of that mutual fund scheme. If there is a consistency in the performance of the scheme, then he can go for the that particular scheme. If the performance of the scheme is very much volatile, then he need to rethink in investing before investing in that particular scheme. Then the next category is historical background. So he should check the historical background of the company and the results and the final yields of the various schemes which are already issued by that particular company. That has to be the verified properly before investing in any company. The cost of operation, the amounts which are charged by the AMC, that is the asset management company, and the account maintenance charges and the brokerage charges which are charged by that company, the service charges, everything need to be verified before making the investment. The next category, he need to verify about the capacity of innovation. The capacity of innovation can be identified at the various varieties of the schemes offered by that particular the asset management company. If the asset management company is offering the various categories of the mutual fund schemes to cater the different kinds of the investors needs, then that company is innovative in having the in offering the mutual fund schemes to the public. Then the investor servicing, the additional services provided by the mutual fund the company in like just like the consultancy services and as well as the providing suggestions and as well as providing the reviews on the stock market. All those the additional services should be checked down before investing in the mutual funds. and the market trends have to be observed. If the market is at the boom level and the peak level, at that time the investing in mutual fund is not a good idea. When the market is the falling down, at that time we can purchase the units at the lower level, and we can get the capital appreciation benefit whenever the market is on high. So we need to check the market trend before investing in the mutual funds. Then transparency of the fund management. So we need to clearly get to know about the transparency or the policy of the mutual fund schemes, whether they are providing the complete details on the portfolios which they are going to construct. Because when the funds the transparency is high, then there will be no issues between the investor and as well as the asset management company. So these are all the various the criteria which need to be considered before investing in a mutual fund schemes. Now let us summarize the whole session. So on the basis of geography, the mutual funds can be classified into the domestic mutual funds and as well as the offshore mutual funds. And while investing in the mutual funds, the various the points to be taken into account are namely the objective of the fund, the cost of the fund, the background of the company, the consistency of the performance of the company, the market trends, the transparency of the company, the innovative capacity of the company, and the investor servicing offered by the company. These are all the points need to be considered before selecting an mutual fund scheme. You can refer these books for your further readings. Khan M.Y. Indian Financial System Theory and Practice, Tata McGraw Publications. E. Gordon and K. Natarajan, Financial Markets and Services, Himalaya Publications. Raman B.S. Financial Markets and Services, Chetana Bookhouse Publications. I thank everyone for watching this video. Kindly like and as well as comment with your suggestions and queries. Thank you everyone.